Howdy, my name's Joe, and this is a 2006 Silverado that I just finished installing some backup strobes on. Let me show you how that works. So inside the cab, we put a 3-position switch. Right now it's in center, which is off, regular backup lights. Vehicle operates as normal. But if you're plowing snow or you need some strobe lights, we can put it in strobe. So let's go take a look at that and see what that looks like. So this customer opted to go with flush mount LEDs. These are 1800 lumens a piece, and they are really bright. They'll light up a whole yard, everything. They're floodlights, so they're not a spot. The light goes everywhere. You can see pretty well beside you as well as behind you. Customer went to go with 4 of them, just as pretty much as many as we could pack in the bumper. Behind the bumper, the lights have a quick disconnects just in case the bumper ever needs to be removed. The way this circuit works is right now they're in strobe. The vehicle could be in drive, could be in park. It is in park right now. But if we put it in reverse, they take over. So let me show you what that looks like in reverse. Now the vehicle's in neutral, and now the vehicle's in reverse. So reverse lights always take precedence, because when you're backing up, people need to know that they don't need to see your strobe, they need to see a solid white light, and you need solid light when you're backing up as well so you don't hit things. But right now you'll notice that the lights in the bumper are on, but the lights in the tail lights are not on, and that's because we isolate the reverse circuit on the transmission with diodes to protect from sending voltage back to the transmission or back to the vehicle computer. So the only lights that are on are in the bumper, and that's because right now the circuit is in floodlight mode, which is for hooking up to trailers at night or shoveling off a sidewalk or really anything like that. And it works really great. So we just we do it right. We put a disconnect behind the switch. If you ever need to change a switch, we can send you a switch. Anything like that, we try to just make it as nice and as clean as possible. There's 3 relays under the hood and a strobe controller and a fuse, and it's a pretty simple circuit, and 2 diodes. But it's a pretty simple circuit, but it works great, and I really think that every plow truck should have it.